So I'm going to start off by adding a circle first of all. For that, I'll press the ellipse tool here on the left and then draw out by holding Shift and Alt and drawing out a circle like so. Then I'm going to copy and paste the circle in place by first pressing Ctrl C to copy and then press Ctrl F to paste in place. Then I'm going to again hold Alt and Shift and I'll push the circle inwards and make it smaller like this. Then I'm going to select them both and then go here on the left and press the shape builder tool and come back here and select this pie and make this new shape. Now I'll just push it to the left and delete this extra small circle here. Now I'll bring it to the right here, and from it I'm going to hold Alt and Shift and I'll make a copy of it and push it to the left and align it with the inner circle like so. Then I'm going to make one more copy and push it upwards. Now with the help of smart guides, I'll try and align it right in the center of between these two circles, but as you can see, at the moment I try and push it downwards, it doesn't fit that nicely. So I'm going to do something that will help me make it align properly. For that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to select the line tool and draw a straight line at the intersecting parts of these two circles here. Then I'll bring back the circle over it, and just around here where it intersects with the help of smart guides, I'll place it and I'll hold Shift and push it downwards. And now you can see it's almost properly centrally aligned. I'll align it and remove this line and push the circle a bit more to the lower so that it touches the inner circles on the pie. So the next thing what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut out parts of this pie to show percentages. Let's start doing that by first of all addressing to the top pie here. First of all, I'll copy and paste the pie in place once again by pressing Ctrl C and then Ctrl F. To cut out a part out of this, I'm going to draw a rectangle like so here, and then I'm going to bring it over the center of this pie and align one corner on the upper side like so. Now I'm going to select the pie and the square, and then I'm going to go here in the shape builder tool and select it and press Alt so that minus sign turns on, and then I'm going to delete the portion from here so that I can have the final pie I want. I'll delete some of the leftover unnecessary parts. Now I'm going to give it a blue color to this new pie. Now I'm going to zoom in a bit, and by selecting the direct selection tool or by pressing A on your keyboard, I'm going to round off the corners. I tried to do that by doing for all of them at once, but I didn't waste time and pulled it out a bit and then rounded off the nodes in the corners one by one. Then I just put it back in its place. So with that, our first pie to show a percentage is ready. Now it's all about repeating the whole process for the rest of the two pies. I will roughly cut out 26-27% from the second pie so that it's come around 73%, and then divide the third pie into half. Now let's just select these three colored pies and remove this stroke, and then select the full pies below each of these colored pies and give them a full black color. Finally, I want to add another shape in the middle of these three pies. For that, I'll draw out a circle and then with the help of the smart guides place it centrally, and then select the three full black pies below here. Once done, then I'll go into the shape builder tool and delete the parts that are outside and leave only the parts that are overlapping properly. Finally, I will select this new shape and then go into the appearance and then FX, and from the stylus I'll select outer glow and then give it a 7 pixel blur value on the normal mode. So now I'm going to add some text, and for that I'll choose this font called Gadoogie. Once done, quickly add the percentages. Followed by adding outer glow to all the pies. Finally, I'll add few more icons to make it look a bit more professional and complete.